Welcome back. Jessica here. When your whole team works in one place, everyone sees everyone's data. It's the question every team eventually asks. And no other no-code database has a real answer. Until now, NocoDB solves it at the source with row-level security. Let's walk through it with a simple task tracker. You've got 35 tasks spread across different projects. There are 3 people on your team: Carol, Alice, and Bob. Right now, everyone can see each other's tasks. Here's Bob's view. He can see both Alice's and Carol's tasks. And here's Alice. She can see everyone else's tasks too. Let's fix that with row-level security. Row-level security sits right next to the table in its context menu. Let's add a default policy. This kicks in when nothing else matches. Click to edit. You've got 3 options for the default policy: show all rows, deny all rows, or set a condition. Let's set a condition so that only assignees can see their own tasks. Note here that you're matching the assignee to the current user. That way, signed in, users only see their own tasks. Now save your changes. Now comes the magic. Same table, same link. But what you see depends on who you are. Carol sees her records, Bob sees his, and Alice sees hers. But wait, a team lead needs to see everything, so add one more policy. Carol is the team leader. Make sure she can see all records. Add a policy. Pick team leader, then select Carol. Add a filter, but leave it empty. Carol should see every record in this table. Save it. Go back and reload the page. Now Carol, as team leader, can see all the records, including Alice's and Bob's, not just her own. Alice still sees only her records, and Bob still sees only his. And that's row-level security. No duplicate tables, no manual filters, no data leaks. Just clean, well-defined data policies. Thanks for watching.